Good morning. Today, I am going to show you how to prepare toast, one of the egg dishes that I usually prepare for breakfast. These are the ingredients. You have eggs, cooking oil, some cooked bacon, grated cheese and sliced cheese, and slice of bread. Okay, first, we're going to beat our eggs. We use fork to beat our eggs. To heat your pan. Once your pan is heated, you put a small amount of oil. Once your oil is already hot, you're going to pour now your egg. Place now your bread. Flip it over. And wait for the egg to cook. Okay, get your spatula and then flip over your bread with egg. Careful. And then flip your egg to your bread. Now place some bacon, some sliced cheese, and grated cheese. Careful, you're going to fold now your egg and bread and then wait for it to be cooked on one side. Once it cooked, you may now flip it over to be cooked on the other side. If both sides are already cooked, you may now remove your toast from your pan. Don't forget to turn off your stove or your gas range. Slice your toast into two. This is my egg dish recipe for breakfast. I usually eat this with coffee, but for today, I am going to pair it with some juice and choco drink. Let's have breakfast.